a presentation of this particular piece titled Árbol Viviente, which translates to the living tree, basically the tree of life. In 2013, I created a body of work titled the Andes Festival of the Flowers. It related to the Andes Mountains in Colombia, South America, and in this particular piece, I wanted to portray the tree of life as it pertains to every one of us. Here, the community in a circle, worshiping the tree of life, the living tree. In my opinion, every one of us are the tree of life, the living trees of this planet. On a hill, emerging proudly and beautifully, expanding the foliage to cover a great deal. This is a dawning. Usually paint or create dawns, the beginning of a new day. Sunsets are very beautiful, but there's a melancholic to them because it's the conclusion of a process. So I prefer a dawn because it's promising, because it's filled with possibilities, The trunk in the tree is perhaps the most important element in the painting because it has the energy, that energy that we call life. The different colors in the trunk varies from one piece to the next one. This is a multiple edition of 30 pieces plus 5 artist proofs. And we have done this in the studio by hand. We do not use any machinery or silk screening. We basically apply every color by hand. I decided to keep the edition to only 30 pieces simply because I believe that the quality of each piece is important. Also, I do not like to prostitute an image. So 30 pieces and 5 artist proofs. The 5 artist proofs I am holding. By the time that they go into the market, 50% of that revenue will go to help different organizations, different charities related to the education of children. This is the living tree, an edition of 30, oil on canvas and oil on papers. The papers are handmade by us. I make the papers with 2 of my assistants, and we give each piece of paper its own personality. So by the time the paper or the canvas comes to the studio, to the easel, I study the personality already established in the paper or on the canvas, after the canvas having been textured, and then I begin the creation of each individual piece. So this is the tree of life.